Traders, I hope you guys did well today. Let me know in the comment section how you did. Today is a tough day for me, guys. Oh my goodness. These days are aggravating because, for one, they get a little stressful, and then two, I don't make any money. And I really have to control the red day, which is difficult to do sometimes. I mean, I know that's my problem. See, my problem is not being green, because I've been green 8 out of 9 of the last trading days since going live. My problem is the red days. That was my problem when I was live before. I don't manage my red days very well. They get out of control, and I end up wiping the account. Today was getting out of control. It was getting a little out of control, I'll be honest. You guys are going to see that in the video. I get a little out of control. I start slightly adjusting my risk parameters, which is awful, a very amateur thing to do in some of these trades. But with that being said, guys, this is a headache of a day. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it right there before things get really out of control. Hope you guys learned something from the video. Alright, traders, there is a lot going on today. I mean, a lot. EKSO, this one's getting a nice little sell-off right now. Let me look to scoop this up right around here at 197. I actually wasn't even interested in trading this one. I just saw it selling off, and I want this. I was the best bidders right there. Oh, well, we got a minute until the market opens on up here. A lot to look at, guys. I mean, CODX, EYEN, EKSO, VTVT, OCX. There is a lot to look at, fellas. So OCX, I want that one to pop up out of the gates, back up to previous day close, after hours highs on OCX. EKSO is a little bit of a sleeper. Now, this one is a sleeper because not a lot of shorts are going to be interested in this. Why? Because all the shorts are interested in CODX. This one's up over 200%, guys. CODX is up over 200%. Shorts are going to be all over that one. EKSO, this one's only up like 25-30% right now. Shorts aren't that interested in getting into something, you know, that's only up about 30% for a little bit of a scalp. We do have some good opportunity on EKSO. That's why I'm interested in it here. The market is opened. I just got into it. 300 shares at 206. I don't want it back under $2 really. So if I start selling on off, I will be cutting this one. It's getting a little weak. I'm selling. And that's EKSO. Didn't really give it much room or time right there. EYEN, this one's trying to get a little bit of a movement here. Right off of support right here at 385. This one does have a lot of potential as well. EYEN. Now, I did scoop this one up. EYEN at about $4 here. It did move up in pre-market to 425. Didn't have time to really get an exit on that one as I started pulling back on down. EKSO, I still am interested in this one. I think it is a sleeper. I'm going to go for it again on EKSO. Another reason I'm going for it again is because look at the chart on it. 190 is going to be the 200-day moving average. Very good support at 190. This one has a lot more room to move up than it has to move down. That's what really gets me excited on these stocks. EYEN, nasty sell-off. Nasty sell-off on EYEN. Like I said, I'm going off of that 190 support. That's the 200-day. Going off of that 190 support there. EYEN is doing a beautiful red to green move, guys. EYEN is really taking on off. It looks like we're about to be doing a little bit of a red to green move, but the most concerning thing is this resistance around 210. 210 is going to be really tough resistance on this. We're going to need really, really good volume, though, guys, to break that 210 area. That's my only concern here. We can already see on the level 2, 15,000 shares at 210. All right, I just sold 400. Look at all these orders at 210. It's incredible. All right, sold another 200. I'm going to let these 200 just do its thing, baby. I'm a little irritated on this day that I'm not even that green, considering that I really nailed this right here. It just broke that major level of support at 210. There was a ton of shares there. It's back down to this trend that was resistance before, but now should be serving as some type of support. So we're going to see what EKSO is going to be doing around here. Back under $2, I'm out. But I'm really going to try to let this one work for me. And also, when it breaks a red to green move, that level becomes support. When it breaks a red to green move. So 203 here, this is where it broke out through it on the red to green move. And now 203 right here. You see this lower shadow? That's becoming a level of support. We want to hold above that. I don't want this thing back around 203 or under $2. OCX, I'm not really sure I'm going to be trading this one. But I pulled up the video from yesterday that we did, and OCX got 666 views. I don't know if I really want to be trading it when it got 666 views. Let's see how our friend CODX is doing. CODX, this one has really been trying to hold, which is pretty funny. This trend is so steep, guys. It's now trying to come back below it a little bit. We'll see what this one's going to do here. Getting a ton of panic selling right now is what it's doing. I don't really want to be panic selling with everybody else. ACIU is selling on off big time, baby. I just got filled at 352 on ACIU. Oh, God. EKSO. Got to get out of EKSO, and then that leaves me with ACIU, which is killing me right now, too. Oh, taking a beating today, guys. So here's the deal with ACIU. Yeah, I'm down on it right now. I really don't want this thing below $3. I mean, below $3, that's going to be my absolute stop on it. ACIU, I'm getting in on the emotional side of the move, okay? The emotional side of the move. This thing is down from $11 all the way down to $3.30 right now. So this is the emotional side. There's going to be a lot of selling on it. And this is just part of the risk by being in on the emotional side of the move. I'm going to be red a little bit on the trade. But just like PCG, guys, PCG, what is that sitting at right now? Sitting at $13.54. I got into that at $6.20 when the company was bankrupt, CEO was stepping down. Everyone was like, don't get into that, Kevin. Got into it, ended up bouncing all the way back up to 13, and I didn't hold it. That was my problem. I did not want to hold it at all. Now this stock here, this one is way oversold. Getting in on the emotional side of it, and I'm planning on swinging this one a little bit, okay? Plan on swinging this one a little bit, seeing if it's going to do what PCG did. Because last week, a few stocks I should have been holding. I should have held BIOC. I should have held TYME, literally bottom tick that. Should have held PCG, and I didn't. And because I didn't, and I'm not interested in a scalp on this trade right here. But today I really should have been done after my first couple losses. I'm really irritated about that, to be honest. EKSO, I should have been making money here, and I really didn't. Because I tried to get in a little too early on it, so I didn't really make money there. Very frustrated with my trading today, guys. When I start getting frustrated, I need to cut it off, guys. I'm long ACIU. That's my long today. And I want to hold this one, guys. In traders, I have been green 8 out of the last 9 trading days. That's not my problem, having green days. I know what my problem is. It's the red days. I let them get out of control. Like today was slowly getting out of control a little bit, but I'm done. I mean, I'm done. ACIU, this is my only other trade I'm taking, and I'm going to be swinging this one. I'm going to be holding it because this one could be a big winner. It could go up another $1. I could be up over $100 on this one, and that'll get my account where I need it to be. Why do you think the saying goes, buy the rumor, sell the news? When good news comes out sometimes, we get a huge sell-off. Why is that? Because traders bought the anticipation and they sold the news. When everyone else is buying, they're selling. And guess what? You got to be a part of the 10%. When everyone else is selling, that's when I'm going to start buying. PCG, I should have held that one. It frustrates me. It frustrates me to no end because I'd be up huge right now. So ACIU, guess what? I'm not selling this one. It's just how the psychology of it works. Probably earlier in the video, you guys were saying, why are you in ACIU? This thing is selling off the map. Now you're like, oh, good entry, 352. That's why shorts make so much money, guys. When people are buying, you're seeing something going up. It's like, oh, most people are saying, let me get in, let me get in, let me get in. And then shorts are shorting them getting in. Now shorts oftentimes will start with a little starter position because sometimes the stock will go up a little bit more on that momentum. They understand that they're getting in on the emotional side of the move. Shorts short euphoria when traders are thinking this is going up forever. And as buyers, we need to be buying fear when everyone's panic selling. That's why a lot of people buy the dips, sell the rips. Buy when people are selling, sell when people are buying. All right, traders, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. All the ups and the downs, we're going to learn from it, baby. Going to be growing on this journey together. Very excited. But guys, if you have any feedback at all, please leave that down in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.